Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. One of the my student who did this system, you can see this is the touchable POS point of sale system. So if you want to buy a item, so I'm going to buy a apple. I need two quantity. Click on this, it enters successfully. If you enter this one, here you will be able to see the subtotal. Okay, this one, five quantity. It's a pineapple and two quantity. The price is here you can calculate this is the price, this is the quantity of purchase, this is the subtotal. Final total will be display over here. Four item will be your purchase, four item. You can see all the list. Okay, this is touchable POS. Okay, in your country you can able to see this is a touchable POS. Now if you want to calculate, if you want to pay, so if you just click calculate, you can't calculate it, so you have to pay the amount. You have to pay 30. After that calculate, you can see the calculate as be 60. It will be coming as 60. So this is your if you pay 30 rupees, your balance should be 60. After that you can click bill. You can have a nice bill. Here is a nice bill. Here you will be able to see the nice billing. Okay, here if you want click print, it has been printed in your machine. Okay, you have printer. It's a, if you have connect the terminal printer and printer. Okay, here you will be able to see the best printing receipt. You will be able to see best terminal printing preview. Okay, you will be able to print it. Okay, after done the things, you are click finish. It has been finished. Okay, this is simple steps how to do step by step. Will explain. Okay, so this all the source code I provide you. Don't worry about that. First, I am going to go to make a file new project. Java application, click next. If it is create main class, you have to uncheck it. Java inventory. Now here we have the default package. I am going to create a new package. POS. Now here I'm going to adjust the screen size what you need. Okay, so here first what you are going to do is here we have a billing. It's a big this system. So what I'm going to do is I want to drag one panel. Drag one panel. Adjust the size what which you need. Okay, so you have to adjust the sizes. After this one I'm going to change the color. Background color I'm going to change as this color. Close it. It would be fine. So after that I want to drag the label. The bill inventory management. Properties. Click on this 36 with along with the bold. Close it. Select this one. Properties. Foreground. White. Close it. Now let's select the frame. Properties. Code. Generate center. Close it. Now if you are run the project, you can have a nice look at the center of the screen. Later on we have adjusted everything. Okay, so after that what you are going to do is I am going to select this one. Source. Control F. You can have a the text box where you can search UI. You can search UI. Press enter key. Press enter key. So you can see there is a Nimbus. What's the meaning by this is in NetBeans the frame look defaultly come as Nimbus. So this is not a look and feel of the Java application. If it is if it is come as a Nimbus. Okay, if you want to look and feel of the application, Java actual look, how to get it, we have to make it as method. Okay, it's a method. This is the actual look and feel of the application. If you make it as metal, you can see the here. This is the look and feel of the Java application. This is the look we have to get it, the Java application. Here, nice look. Okay, this is the application look. Before we have to do the coding, we have to make the attractive user interface. That is must. After that, we have did the editing successfully. Now I want to drag one panel. This panel we have to write it over here. After that, what you're going to do is we have a select this one. This is the panel. So right click, properties. We have to border. You have to make it as a bevel border. So now what you're going to do is we have a now this is my project. Now images, when you drag the images, so what you're going to do is this is your project. Okay, so here select the source packages. You have to create another package which is images. So this project I will give you, don't worry. These images, what you're going to do is I'm going to copy here and paste it. How to get the images in you? What you're going to do is whatever image you have to just go over here. You have to make the size you need. You can use the size. You can reduce the size and everything. If you know Photoshop, you can do it. So here, Canva also the best software. If you want to if you go to the Canva, you can see that if you go to Canva, here what are images you get, you can the size you need to, you can adjust it. Okay, so if you want to find the vegetable, if you imagine you are going to make the vegetable shop, imagine you are going to make the post for vegetable shop. So there are plenty of images are there while you searching. So if you want to make the image reducing part, you want to make this image as small. So what you are going to see, this is the image is big, very big. Okay, so you just download and you can put it in the Canva and you can reduce the size, what the size you need. Okay, so then I have did it so far and got these images. That is simple. Okay, whatever size. This is the things you have did. Otherwise, if you have a good enough knowledge of Photoshop, you can get the Photoshop. It is easy. This is also fine. You can go and have you just drag the image and reduce the size of it. Okay, that's the thing you have to do. Okay, so when you become a programmer, you must learn Photoshop little. So because when you are doing this small image adjusting part, we need this one. So we have put the size, what is the size of all the image. Each image consists of same width and height. Then not it would be the professional one. One image is one width and height, another image is going to different width and height. That is not good. That is not a professional one. Each and every image must be the same. That is a professional one. When you make the software, please consider when you make the software, every image size could be same. Then only that software become a professional. If the image to image it's going to be different, it's not a professional one. Okay, keep it in your mind while you making the software. So okay, that's a important stuff I should tell that. Okay, so that's how we have get this image. So this image is how to get it. So I have already put it here, drag it. So here I just this all the images, I just hold down the shift key down and select all and copy and select the image package, right click and paste on it. So I got all the images inside this folder. Okay, it successfully came inside the folder once I paste it. So these are the images I'm going to use in my post. Okay, these are the images. You have to make it as a quality images. So the customer when the customer see that, the customer interact your post. when you did the product, and once you showed the customer client, the client interested on you, then only they given the order again by again. So you have to change this mindset. Okay, so that you have to put these images. Okay, so how to drag the images? So we have to put one label. So these all the called as labels here. These are not, this is labels. This is everyone is a label here. It's a label. It's a labels. Okay, no, it's a label. So I will be tell you how to put the label. So here is a get the label. Simply you get the label. This label, right click, change variable, backspace to get rid of the text. So not text, so as the text, get rid, we have to select the text property, backspace, remove the existing text. Now the text has gone. Now what you are going to see here, I am going to browse the image properties. Here you have write the icon, click on auto here. Here images, here you have here this all what are the images are there on your shop. You have put into here the packages button. This all the images are there here. I need a banana one. Here's banana one is there. Okay. So you have to put all the, you have to select the package and put it to the images. Okay, then your images are coming like this. Now click OK. It is fit on the successfully fit on the screen. The same thing you have to do it here. Rest of the images as well. So I already did it, so that I don't want to do again by again. So I have to drag this all the things. Copy. Paste it over here. So I already did it. So if I did it again, it take too much of time to complete it. So I just explain how to get the image. Okay, so that's the thing you have to, that's how we have to get the images. That's how you have to get the images. This image, hold on the shift key down and select these three. Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste over here. That's it. Okay, now let's check whether it's working fine or not. It's working. Now it's working. It's working successful. Once you did it, you have to check it whether it's running successfully or not. Okay, it is running the way you are expected. Okay, you have to check whether it's running as you are expected way or not. That is very must. Okay, we have to do it. Okay, so every design you have did it, you have to check the preview as well. That's the main thing. You have the preview also. You can also here, this is a preview button. You also check it the preview. Here also you can do it. This is a preview of NetBeans. You can see the preview. Okay, after that what I'm going to do is, after that I'm going to go to below stuff. I'm going to go to below stuff, which is this one, billing part, the table. It's a table. So table, how to get the table? On your right side, right hand corner, there is a table. You just click and drag on it, drag on the frame. The table has been table has been dragged successfully. Now this table consists of default rows. Okay, so here first we have what you're going to be able to fix it correctly where the table should be appear. So this table, I just go to the properties, right click and go to properties. Here we have set the background color as black. It will be changed as black. That is important. After that, what I'm going to do is, I want to do the couple of modifications. So I want to go to the table content, rows. The default content we have to remove it, delete, select and delete the default content. Now the default content rows are not available right now. We have everything we have deleted. So after that, what you are going to do is, we have to specify the columns. What are the item, price, quantity? Item, price, quantity. Item, price, quantity. You have write the rows, item, price quantity subtotal. Okay, these are the things you must consider about these things. Okay, so this is the thing you have to do it. Just run and now it's not shown as the black color background. Once you add the product, only the background color should be changed as that. Okay, don't worry about that. This one you have to adjust like this. Now what I'm going to do is I want to put the buttons. This is the calculate button. Background color I would change it as this. Foreground color I'm going to change it as white. Font size let's increment little bit. We have to increase the font size little bit bigger. After that, fine, copy this and paste it. You'll get the copy. This one I'm going to give the thing as calculate, and another one, what's the button we have called, print bill. You have to print bill. So let's change the one as a black color background. It would be fine. Okay, it would be fine. Perfect. After that, I need to add one button. I need to add another button. So that's the thing you have to make that finish. This one I'm going to make it as finish. Background color I'm going to change it as. That's it. Run the chain. Now it's successful. You're having a nice successfully look. You will be able to see nice successfully post. Okay, you have delivered the successful post. Now I want to do the another part, which is this billing things. Here also I am going to drag one panel. Here also I drag one panel. This panel I am going to border, double border, close it. Okay. Now here this panel, what you are going to do is I want to drag this all things, total item, this all things. How to do the thing is total. Drag it. Here you have to do the text field. Text field I am going to edit text backspace to remove the existing text. This text field I am going to the background color I am to change it as a black. Okay, this one I am going to make it as txt dot. So that's the thing how it. This is how we have to do the things. So after that I have to make the design for a items. So here this one should be the label. Drag the label. This one should be items. Try terms. You have to little bit bigger, then it would be fine. This one also Control C to copy, Control V to paste. You have to get the copy. We have to change this color as foreground color. Foreground color would be this. This one you have to make it as LBL items. That's it. After that we have to write this one, paid and balance. Copy, Control C to copy, Control V to paste it. This one should be paid. After that, Control C to copy, Control V to paste it. The balance. This one copy, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Okay, what I'm going to say, this one I'm going to adjust like this. So we have to adjust it like this. Now let's run and check. Perfect. It would be perfect. Now we have a simple billing form. This one. Okay, the same thing I just copy and paste it. How to do the thing is, you have to go to your text area, you just drag and drop a small billing. You're just a small bill, you have to adjust the size. That's the thing, small bill. That's it. Because this is the simple UI design of the thing, the small design. Okay, this is a professional one. You have to make it here. This is a Gola clickable. The best clickable interfaces you can have. First coding part, what you are going to do is, first I have to do the first thing. Go to the source. These all the things we have to make it as a mouse clicker event. So you have to write implements. To make the implements, to make it as implements. First you have to make it as implements. Mouse listener. The mouse listener. If I implement the mouse listener, you have to type mouse listener. It's not error. Click on this. Implement all the abstract methods. Okay, this abstract method means every method with the abstract. The default method is created here. Okay, this another support method we have to remove it. We're not doing this all the press all things. What is wrote inside you have to remove it. We don't need this one. If you keep it getting error, so that you have to remove that. We nothing do here. Just do this mouse click event only. But you can't get only this one. When you click import button, it consists of this all things. Mouse all the event of the mouse listener consists of all the method would be displayed. These are the method inside the mouse listener. Mouse click, press, release, enter and exit. So you can get the collections. You can get only one. You can't get only one method. You can once you click abstract, all method would be displayed. Okay, so we have to other things we don't need them. We go and write here as well. So after that, what we are going to do is here. First, inside the construct is the construct is the class. The class the same name as a method which is called as constructor. You have already studied this one. The class has the same name. The method would be the class. The method which same name as a class name. It's called as constructor. So what I do over here is I have to just copy this, paste on it over here. What is this? What does this mean? This banana. So here right click and change variable banana. So here these are the every labels. After I already taught how to import the images. After that we have to give the name of each images. So change variable. This is the label. Okay, this is label control. We have put the image into the label. So we have create LBL banana. This one also LBL. This for yes. This one apple. This one should be pineapple. This is the pommy. Okay. This one should be, we have write a mango. So they have a names. So right click properties here LBL. You have to give the name your product. That's how we have to give the name. After given the name, first what you are going to do is this name you have to add the add mouse listener. So your first this name you have type LBL banana dot, there is a method called here right like this, LBL banana dot add mouse listener this. Okay. Then only the method would be change it as a clickable. If you are not import this one, it won't be change it as a clickable. If you want to make this all the method as a clickable, you have to write like this, add mouse click listener. That's the thing you have to do it. Right? I hope this one help you so much. I think this all help you so much. So this is very important stuff you must know about these things. Okay. Right. So this all the things we have to consider. So, okay. Now after that I'm going to go to the mouse click event. You have to come to this mouse. Now get the mouse click event. If you click on this button, I want to display the quantity. If we put the quantity, it added the respective price and display the subtotal. That's the thing I have to do it. So what I need to do it. So I have to do the thing is we have to do something else. So I'm going to copy this code because I'm using this code. Let's copy it. Paste it over here. I'll be explaining. Don't worry. If I'm going to write it, take too much of time to complete it. So that I just paste it. Okay, this all things you don't confuse. I'm going to explain it. So here we have to create the variables at all. We have to create above. These are all the variables. Above. Okay. Now fine. Okay, fine. Okay. Now here what you are going to do is the table. We have to change it as TBL table. You have to name this one as a TBL table. You have to change the name. Now what I did here is, don't know this source code I provide you. Yeah, first what I did here is here txt dot. This is a txt dot mean this one. This text box we have to name it as txt dot dot. We have to make it a dot. Okay, this one we have to make it as txt paid. Okay, so now it's so everything's gone. Okay, now let's check whether it's working fine or not first. Click on it. It's working. Here it's working. The font color, we can't see the color. So what I'm going to do is here this one, select this one, foreground color. I'm going to change it as yellow. And font size I'm going to change it as 14 with bold. Now let's check it. Click on it. Here it's coming. Perfect. Click on it. Come. Perfect. It's working for this also. We have to change the font color. Would be 14. Foreground color I'm going to change this. That's fine. That would be fine. Okay. So what I did is when you click this button, what I did here is this code I will provide you. Don't worry. You can get it from my blog. Here you have to write it if get source means this is the argument you have set the get source equal banana mean this is the name of the label. We choose banana quantity variable above you have created. Here this is the double because this when you click this thing it asks the quantity. This quantity we are given as a double. So input box should be displayed. Okay. After that you have to enter the quantity. It is assigned to this quantity variable. After that we have to passing this all things into the table, this table. So this table model, we have to get the table model here, df. Here we have to create a model here, table model df, the string variable in types. So here the name banana, price is this. So we have to do the thing is we have to put the conversion. Okay, here this one, the string. Okay, so we have write after that we have to after that when you ask the quantity, you have to enter the quantity stay here. Your name is banana, the price would be this. So the quantity, what's the quantity you entered and price, it would be calculated and store into the table means this table. So we have to write there is a table, the j table, there is a model row, first name, price, quantity, total added. That's how we have added the code. After the total, what you're going to do is here we have to create the final sum. So write the how many things are there, we have to calculate this one, this sum. Okay, this is 0 1 2 3. The third is a subtotal. The subtotal we have to again by you add, it will be calculated the total. So that's how we have get the total. That's the thing you have to edit here. The same thing we have to apply this one as well, 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 the same code. Okay, this is if. Okay, after that else if, you have to put this one, else if, another else if, put this one, else if, else if. Okay, that's how we have did the code. Okay, I hope you guys will understood things well. Okay, so I give you this code, you will be able to go and do it. Okay, so after that what I'm going to do is I want to go to the calculate button. Calculate button, submit calculator, double click that. This calculate button, you just copy it. Put the code. After that, bill. This also we have to get the code. This is all the code I provide you. Don't worry. Don't worry. This all the source code I will be provided. Print bill. Don't worry. All the source code I provide. The total bill mean paid mean txt paid. This one. Another one is a txt balance. That's fixed. Okay, that's the thing you have to write. For the bill, this all things what you are going to do is you have to write the functions. Cal function as a cal function. This is a cal function and bill function. Both we would copy it, paste on it here. The txt bill means this is a txt bill. Okay, now everything is working fine, so you have to run it. Click on this, click on this. So you have to enter the 10. No, we want the priorities, we have to change this one also, different color. This one also I'm going to change it as a different color. Done again. 1 3. Now we enter the 20. It's working. Calculate. Here it should be calculated over here. Click print bill button. Here it will be calculated successfully. Your balance also. Thank you for come again. You will be able to print the bill. Okay, everything is working fine. Okay, if you click finish, I want to finish it the entire bill. Okay, so the finish bar here this one. We have to clear everything. So what I did here is after calculated, the calculate what I did here is here we have a total. This is a total. What's the total coming here? After you have checked whether the total is empty or not. If it is empty, error. If it is not, you have to calculate. Calculate function what you did here is before the calculate function. It will be total. What is the total coming here? Assigned to total variable. What is the pay? You have to pay variable. Balance. The total less than balance. You have to check the condition. If the total is less than balance, then we will do this section. Okay. For the pay, you have to minus to total. It is after that we made the calculation part over here. Total minus it, pay minus to total. After that it will be assigned this variable. Okay. After that you have to get the balance. Okay. So if there is any issues, you can not valid money. Okay, we have to change that error. After when you click the bill, we have to style it. The bill means this is the bill text field, text area. We have to style it. This is how we have styled the everything. A shop. This is all the source code provided. You are put into and you will be able to work. So here's the simple stuff. Okay. I hope you guys will understand things well. Thank you for watching.